Hello, my friends. Have you ever stopped to wonder about the immense power lying dormant within you? I'm not talking about physical strength or intellectual abilities, but the creative force that shapes your entire reality, your imagination. This isn't some abstract concept or fleeting idea, this is the cornerstone of everything you experience and everything you can become. Let me ask you something. Have you ever imagined a situation so vividly that you could almost feel it, smell it, taste it? Perhaps a dream job, a loving relationship, or a life filled with abundance. What if I told you that the act of imagining is far more powerful than you've been led to believe? That your imagination is not just a place for daydreams but the blueprint of your reality? The truth is, every experience in your life starts in your imagination. The life you are living right now is a reflection of the thoughts, feelings, and mental images you have consistently held. You see, the outer world is a mirror, faithfully reflecting the inner world. Change what you consistently imagine, and your reality will begin to shift. This is not a matter of chance, it's a law. Imagination is not a passive force, it is dynamic, alive, and creative. Every image you hold in your mind carries an emotional charge, and this charge has the power to influence your circumstances. It's not just about picturing something, it's about feeling it as real. When you combine vivid imagery with the emotion of already having it, you set in motion the unseen forces that bring it to life. Now, you might wonder, how can something as simple as imagination create such profound changes? The answer lies in the fact that imagination operates at the level of consciousness. Your consciousness is the ultimate reality, the foundation of everything. When you imagine something vividly, your consciousness accepts it as true, and what is accepted as true by your consciousness must be expressed in your life. Let me explain how you can begin to harness this power. Start by becoming very clear about what you want. Don't focus on vague desires, be specific. Imagine the end result, not the process of getting there. For example, if you desire a new home, don't dwell on how you'll find the house or how you'll pay for it. Instead, see yourself already living in that home. Picture yourself walking through its rooms, feeling the warmth and comfort, and hearing the sounds of your family enjoying the space. Next, add the emotional dimension. Feel the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as if you already have what you desire. The secret here is that your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between what is real and what is vividly imagined. By consistently imagining and feeling the fulfillment of your desire, you are impressing it upon your subconscious mind, which will then work tirelessly to bring it into your reality. Here's where many people struggle. They let doubt creep in, questioning whether this could really work. But doubt is the enemy of imagination. Doubt weakens the emotional charge of your mental images and disrupts the creative process. So, how do you combat doubt? By practicing persistence. Even when you don't see immediate results, trust that the process is working. Your job is not to figure out how or when it will happen, your job is to stay faithful to your vision. Another critical aspect of using imagination effectively is living from the end. This means you don't just imagine the desired outcome during a quiet moment of visualization. You carry that feeling with you throughout your day. Act as if it's already done. Speak, think, and behave as the person who already has what they desire. Many people misunderstand the power of imagination because they confuse it with wishful thinking. But there's a significant difference. Wishful thinking is passive, it lacks conviction. True imagination is active and intentional. It is the deliberate creation of a new reality in your mind, combined with the emotional certainty that it is already yours. You might be thinking, this sounds too simple. But simplicity is the hallmark of truth. Great truths are never complicated, they are accessible to anyone willing to apply them. The challenge lies not in understanding but in practicing. So, practice. Dedicate a few moments each day to vividly imagining the life you want, feeling as though it is already yours. And let's not forget gratitude. Gratitude is the secret ingredient that amplifies the creative power of imagination. When you feel grateful for something as if you already have it, you align yourself with its frequency. Gratitude turns your mental images into a magnet, drawing the corresponding experiences into your life. Your imagination is the seed from which your greatest potential can grow. Let's get deeper into what it truly means to harness this creative power and how to expand its reach in ways that transform every aspect of your life. While many understand imagination as the realm of possibility, few realize that it can also shape our approach to the challenges we face daily. These moments, far from being setbacks, can be opportunities to refine the clarity of our vision and to strengthen the belief in our creative ability. When you encounter a situation that seems immovable, instead of reacting emotionally, step into the realm of your imagination. Let me give you an example. Imagine standing before a mountain that appears impossible to climb. Instead of focusing on its size or difficulty, see yourself standing at the summit. Picture the view, feel the cool breeze, and experience the sense of accomplishment. By imagining the outcome, rather than obsessing over the struggle, you engage the creative force that will guide your steps. This doesn't mean challenges vanish instantly, but it shifts your focus from limitation to possibility, opening pathways you may not have seen before. Imagination can also strengthen relationships. We often carry assumptions about how others think or feel, which influence our interactions. Instead of reacting to these assumptions, why not use your imagination to create a new dynamic? Visualize yourself connecting with others on a deeper level, communicating with kindness and understanding. Picture conversations flowing easily, filled with mutual respect. By holding this image in your mind, you'll find that your words and actions naturally align with it, creating a more harmonious reality. Another area where imagination excels is in uncovering hidden talents and passions. Have you ever felt that there's more you could be doing, something unique waiting to emerge? Instead of waiting for inspiration to strike, use your imagination to explore. Visualize yourself trying new things, excelling in areas you've never considered. Imagine what it feels like to fully express your creativity, to bring something new and meaningful into the world. Often, this simple act of imagining sparks real-world action, leading you toward discoveries that redefine what you believe is possible. Moreover, imagination is the antidote to fear. Fear thrives in uncertainty and doubt, convincing you that danger or failure lurks around every corner. But fear cannot survive when confronted with a strong, positive vision. When fear arises, close your eyes and see yourself succeeding. Imagine the very thing you fear dissolving before you, replaced by confidence and assurance. This mental exercise not only calms your emotions but also strengthens your resolve to move forward. Let us not overlook the role of imagination in building resilience. Life will always have its storms, but your ability to rise above them lies in how vividly you can see the calm beyond the chaos. Picture yourself weathering difficulties with grace, emerging stronger and wiser. Imagine solutions presenting themselves effortlessly, the way a river naturally finds its course. This practice doesn't just help you survive challenging times, it helps you thrive through them. The application of imagination is boundless. It's not confined to specific areas of life, it can touch everything: your health, your career, your purpose. When it comes to your physical well-being, see yourself as vibrant and full of energy. When imagining success, focus not just on outcomes but on the skills and qualities you'll develop along the way. Picture yourself stepping confidently into roles you once thought unattainable. Each mental image, infused with emotion and belief, becomes a stepping stone toward the life you desire. As you begin this practice, you'll notice subtle shifts. Perhaps an opportunity arises that seems like coincidence, or someone comes into your life who helps you along your path. These are not accidents. They are the natural unfolding of the reality you have imagined and felt. Your imagination is limitless. It is the spark of divinity within you, the tool through which you can shape your life. Use it consciously and deliberately. Instead of dwelling on fears, doubts, or limitations, focus on what you want to create. Focus on joy, abundance, love, and success. Your imagination is not confined to the quiet moments of meditation or visualization. It is active all the time. Every thought, every feeling, every mental image is a form of imagining. So, become mindful of what you're imagining throughout the day. If you catch yourself imagining failure or lack, gently shift your focus back to your desired outcome. Let me leave you with this: you are far more powerful than you realize. The key to unleashing your creative power lies within your imagination. Dare to dream boldly. Dare to see yourself living the life you desire. And most importantly, dare to feel it as real. Because when you do, you are not just imagining, you are creating.